Okay, I'm back once more. This is Giro Shen with another edition of our Emily running through Nightingale. I have, as you can see, the modern Prometheus parts. I just have to deliver them to Frankenstein, and I made this refined hammer made out of iron to give to him if he wants it, which I think he does. So I need to get rid of these bones still, and everything else here stays. Bones are here. There we go. So now, we don't need to use a door. We're going to teleport. We're going to go to Crossways, and then we're going to open up the portal. This is the one. I don't know what it is. It's like a pedestal for baptizing your child. There's a head right there. That's almost funny. Reopen the portal. And off we go. I didn't rest. I probably should have. That's right. I get plenty of rest when I'm dead. I'm going to go to Frankenstein first anyway. I should have brought stuff for another portal, but I didn't. I'm going to go back and get it actually, because I've got to go back to Frankenstein like 2 or 3 times. So we're going to go here, grab some stuff, run out. The portal should be open by then. I need 2 lumber. I have 2 lumber of that kind. Where am I at? I'm in the wrong place. 2 lumber. Regular old lumber. 2. Let's just validate what we need here. 2 lumber, synchronous lotus, carved stone, 2 of them, and a wire. I have a lotus on me. I have a lotus on me. A wire. Need 1 wire. I'll make it a shimmering. And 2 carved stone. That's the wrong one. Stone here. Oh, I've got an extra one, don't I? 2 carved stone. I don't have any. Let's just make a regular old carved stone. And this one's a little faster than the one I made there. That's because it doesn't have all the augments, the one I made there. So, yeah, it was 30 seconds a pop. These ones were, what, 3, 5, something like that. Okay, back to the portal. And it is open. And through we go. Hopefully not too much of a load time since we just loaded it not too long ago. But it'll be what it'll be. It's a little different from the old game with the I can make portals at your house. I mean, I can remember in the old game I had, I don't know, how many different realms are there? 3, 6, 9, 12. So 24 portals ranked around my house, and then I had those, one for each biome, so that was 3 more, so 75 portals approximately. It was pretty incredible. So first we're going to go down here and sleep. So let's go to our little house. Get a quick nap. I love this new umbrella. Let's do till noon. Oh, gosh darn it. They don't have short rest, long rest anymore. It's just all resting or not resting. Alright, here we go. We could do some hunting down here, but we really don't need to, so let's go. So Frankenstein is there. And did I do that one? I did do that one. Let's just go straight across. Oh, it slid through there like it was butter. I wonder how good the next one will be. The next umbrella. Because this one is just wicked. I didn't empty her completely, but let's, can't pass this up. We need it really badly. We need it badly. Pick that up, Babs. Any more of it? You gonna pick that up or not? Did I chip it all? I'm gonna give you that. There you go. Any more over here? Looks like it's done. Alright, off we go. Back to my... Oh, there's another. Go ahead and grab that. Where you at? Come on, Jean. You gotta keep up, girl. And there's his symbol. Got it? Whoa. I hate those guys, the freaking chargers. Usually another one. Going after it? Yep. You get it? Was it a baby? They have the most tender meat. What? I lost him. There he is. That's Danu. if you don't want nothing. Where did I find Frankenstein? Was he in the desert? Am I in the wrong place? I think I am in the wrong place. Oh no, he's across. Okay, we just... Canis Interruptus. Okay, go up this thing. So, northeast-ish. There's the tower. I don't know if you recall, but last time we killed some harpies here. And they're here again. I got in a pile of some poison they left. They runned it away. Ghastly pastiches. The mere sound of their nightly moaning gives rise to regretful memories too terrible to confront. Is that why you were in Gloriana's tears, to perpetual daylight? You've unearthed my cowardice. couldn't give me that one at the same time as the other? Jeez Louise. Come on, man. You got a lot of good loot here. We'll be getting those later. I have one here. Oh, look at that. Look at me. I made one. How cool is that? And now we'll go to the other one I made. Oh, I am immensely grateful to myself. And we shall talk to, who's next, T.S. Eliot? No, we'll talk to Edgar Allan Poe. Oh. I must grasp it. I must grasp it. I'll put it there temporarily. As doomed as I, doomed not yet. I am hale and hearty. Did you call me Virginia? Poet's writing desk. The poet's writing desk. Is it an augment? Should be. Here? I don't see it here either. New things. The poet's writing desk. Learn for free. It needs lumber, paint, an iron ingot, 3 iron ingots, 3 iron fucking ingots. And coated paper. I have all the stuff to build that at home. Poet's writing desk. So I gotta go home, get the stuff to make it, and then come back, because I sure as hell am not going to make that stuff here, because it requires advanced tool sets, and I just don't want to build the whole frickin' 9 yards here. So let's just start the journey home, and we're going to go here and replace my blade. I need to fix that too. I need to get a better hunting knife. Tools, hunting kniffy. Oh yeah, that was a wild expenditure. A sword. I think it's time for me to make a sword, yeah. Where the hell I'm gonna put it on my toolbar? I guess it depends on its fluidity. That is pretty nice. Lots of magic power. Alright, now I need to have the stuff to make that writing desk thing. Is it an augment? I think it is an augment. Poet's writing desk. There it is. And we'll put it on the list so we can make sure we have the stuff. Rustic toolbox, we don't want that on the list. Mechanical gear, and I got the other stuff too. Mechanical gears, automaton. I need 5 of each. That's almost all of them. And rod gem automaton. I need 5 of those. There we go. What's this we got? Ring of Empowerment. Oh, cool. Let's put that in here. Food goes here. Fiber here. What's this? Pumpernickel? Black pudding made out of bound ichor. That sounds yummy. is. Rugged hammer. It's made out of armor, iron though, so that's actually the best hammer I got. Okay, then I'm going to go back. Hey, the gate was still open. That's awesome. Still got a delay, but the gate was open. We'll start two. We'll talk to Victor first. Are you back? Silly wenches. It's here. A seed recipe. Look at that. An excellent workbench to create it. And we need to jump over to the other locale. And then we'll go here. And We shall create a poet's table. Oh, I didn't grab the stuff. Fuck me sideways. Damn it, Jim. Alright. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Take me home, country roads. Let's see, this is, Poe's Tower. Victor's Abode. I've been at it for what, 30 minutes? I had to jump back again. Holy cow. Traveler respite. Alright. What lumber do I have on me? The lumber for that table, yeah, okay. So we need 4. 3 paint, 3 iron ingots, and coated paper. Coated paper. Where's that made? Here? Coated paper. Requires paper, which I don't have, and coating, which I have 2 of. And each one creates 6. Let me make some paper. Well, I'm not sure if I completed that quest or not. I'm sorry, it was muted because I coughed, and then I don't know when I thought I came back and didn't or whatever. So let's eat some food. Right then. Acquire a ritual seed nursery. Requires an excellent table. Pshaw. We travel once more. Back to our home. Hopefully you don't need anything. I didn't look at it first. What a dumbass. If I need something, I have to go to a swamp to get it. That's just my luck. Alright, so we'll look. It's an augment. It's called a seed factory or some shit like that. Oh no, it goes on the table. Created by a table. So we go here. Ritual Seed Nursery. A gem. Cape aloe seeds. I got all of that. Quartz. Cape, that's so easy. And I should have had it with me, and then I could have just gone to Frankenstein and showed him, and then I wouldn't have had to teleport back again. Squeeze my cheeks. Did it take long enough to make? Holy cow, Batman. Speaking of garden, what do I have in mind? Not a thing. Okay, I can live with that. Back to the crossroads. And back through the portal. How much preparing do you have to do? I made it perpetually daylight, so Victor wouldn't get so afraid. Well, give us the next stage so that we can get ready or whatever. I'm just going to leave these portals here too. When does an acorn become a tree? When it stops being an acorn? Okay, that is nonsensical. Are you back down there? Ugly ladies? No hoppies. Wait, there they are. I seized them. I think I'll go on a hoppy hunt. How much time we got left? We got... Wait, he was supposed to send me to that place, right? We got 48 minutes. I need to go back and talk to him. How do I get to the place? Silly sapsucker. What's the quest say? The quests say... in a swamp gauntlet. Here, pellucidic, etched ingot will serve as a replacement for according to Elliot's favorite collection of sun giants. Killing a giant is possible but difficult. Perhaps I should seek out the means to trade with one instead. And how am I to do that? Heart of the Elder Jotun. Expert can be found in a hollowed moon. Nellie Bly can be found. An expert can be found in a hollowed moor. Acquire Elder Jotun heart. Of a realm spirit expert. Provide Poe with the space. That's one I need to do. Where the hell I'm supposed to build all that, I don't know. Log barricade, I mean, I could write on. I did the poet's writing desk. Okay. Now I found the quest. Okay. I can work on that when I'm not online. Build all that stuff. Or grab the mats and then build it all. Mostly just the mats I don't have, so I'll look at that when I'm not in front of you guys. So I still need to figure out how to talk to this person. Let us go back here. And fly. It is to the southeast, beyond my house. Whoa. I don't know why that didn't make me fly. There's more blue mats down there. Where are we? I don't see it. We're not very close, really. Get it all? Yep. Alright, so where are we? There we go. We have the magical dealio. Over here. Hola. I guess we're gonna have to just go there and kill the fucker because I can't get her to talk to me. Well, at least I don't have to kill the bishop. I have to kill the sun giant man, and things are tough. Maybe I should do some research and find out why. I didn't kill her dog, did I? I don't think so. I don't see the puppy, though. Still not quite 100. That's redonkulous. $80. That's quite a step from 100. Climbing picks. Axe pick. Where's a pick? Gotta make that sword too. That one. And that one. Those are pretty awesome. Let's see. I have to have the bench. Okay, we'll worry about it later. How are we doing on time here? We are at 57 minutes. I'm going to call it here then. Maybe I'll do some research and see if there's a way to talk to this wench and get her to tell me how to get a thing from a sun giant. It's just an offering, but she has to give me the recipe, and so I have to do a quest in order to get the recipe from her, which is a pretty easy quest. I just got to go in the different things and quiet the noise. Well, at least that's what it used to be. We'll see if it's still that way. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to go back to the respite and build a sword and maybe a high-level axe pick and maybe the pick to see if I can get a level 100. But the axe pick would be the perfect one to get to 100 because then I can do level 100 trees and level 100 mining. So we may go that route, in which case I'll replace the pick with the sword and kind of go from there. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to teleport back, travel to respite, and then next time when we get back together, we'll be trying to talk to her or going to start doing some of the quests because, you know, at this point, an Eoten is pretty tough, but I can probably beat it. And the, what's the last one? The Sun Giants. The Sun Giants are really tough. I might be able to beat one of those too, especially if I make good use of my ranged weapons. The pistol is really good. If I could get it to reload faster, that would be excellent. But in the meantime, it reloads, and so, you know, makes it pretty good. So we'll just go from there. In the meantime, thanks everybody. Be excellent to one another, and we will catch you next time. Peace out.